Hey and welcome back to another video on the DeFi Whale channel, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Mokens League. So first of all, we're heading over to their website to do a quick website overview. Mocha token sale. Be part of the future where AI-driven Mokens compete autonomously in the ultimate digital sports arena. Own to earn, let your club work for you, empowered by Mocha. AI agents simplify management by automating tasks and enabling natural conversational interactions. Powered by Mokens AI. And they have asserted KYC Gold, and they've been audited by Coinfabric. As we can see here, the Mokens pre-sale is live, with the community sale round 2 out of 5 being held at the moment, and they've already raised over 200k. So it's safe to say that there's a lot of hype for this project. And when we take a look at the VCs and instrumental partners, we can see Google Play, Bit2Me, Sura, GameStarter, Kanga, Utopia, and Immutable. So really good partners there. As for the Mokenopolis, introducing their first AI-powered game, Mokenopolis is the next evolution of the Mokens League ecosystem, bringing together all of their products into a unified AI-driven multi-esports club management experience. Powered by Mocha, Mokenopolis uses AI agents to operate, grow, and manage their clubs. And we can see their trailer here. And it's safe to say it looks really good. As for the AI agents, manage your club effortlessly with AI agents, interacting in natural language via a ChatGPT-like companion app. These agents handle tasks, provide insights, and execute strategies, allowing you to oversee your club's growth and competitions with ease. Powered by Mocha, the ecosystem thrives on ownership where success is seamless and driven by AI. And all I can say is, it looks really clean. You have Strategix, Medibot, and Performax. So more about the Mocha token, a real utility token empowering AI-driven autonomous gameplay. First of all, it's the primary currency for in-game purchases. Users can buy AI-powered NFTs and other digital assets within the Mokens League ecosystem using Mocha. Registration for events and tournaments. Mocha serves as the currency for registering your AI-driven Mokens in leagues and tournaments. There's a reward system. Players earn Mocha as a reward for participating and winning events, leagues, and tournaments. There's autonomous play wagering system. The token is utilized in a wagering system for AI-driven matches, where users can stake and earn based on their Mokens' performance. Own to earn. And access to AI-integrated ecosystem. Owning will be a requirement for accessing the full Mokens League ecosystem, including tournaments, upgrades, and AI-powered features. So let's take a look at the tokenomics. First of all, there's 10% for community sale, 1% public sale, 17% team, 5% marketing, 0.6% strategic partners, 42% community ecosystem and rewards, 9% reserve, 10.4% liquidity, and 5% advisors. Total supply 500 million. Ticker Mocha. Chain ETH. Contract address. There's a link to it. The initial pre-sale price 0.05 and the final price 0.1, with an initial market cap of only 1.307 million market cap. So is their first game a solid foundation? Their initial offering, a real-time multiplayer soccer game, is live on Android, iOS, and PC. With this strong foundation, integrating AI-powered gameplay is a seamless next step, enabling them to transform their soccer experience into autonomous AI-driven matches. And let's take a look. And when we take a look, we're redirected to Mokens League. Their first AI-powered game. And here we can see what the soccer looks like. Let's quickly scroll through it. And all I have to say is that this looks really good. Then we're moving on to the future and the roadmap. The future of Mokens League is centered on autonomous play and AI-driven management in an own-to-earn environment. The revolving ecosystem empowers users to own clubs and interact seamlessly with AI agents, who handle everything. These innovations not only simplify the experience, but also enhance the value of Mocha tokens and NFTs. We can see 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 and 2025. Some more about them. Monster League Studios Ltd was founded by a team of seasoned game developers and is led by Martin Repetto and Maximo Rodis. Both are veterans with 25 plus years of experience working together in the gaming industry. Based in Barcelona, MLS has established as a game development studio with a focus on creating sports video games. The founders, alongside the rest of the team, bring a wealth of experience to the table. Having worked on a variety of successful titles in the past, they are now using their expertise to push the boundaries of sports game development by incorporating innovative monetization technologies and strategies. Again, we can see their partners here, and they've got top-notch partners. As for the team, it seems to be pretty big, so that's always a good sign. They've also got some popular tweets on the website, and for that I do recommend you to follow Mokens League on Twitter. Another interesting thing is that they've been incubated by Google. Mokens League was proudly incubated by Google during the 2024 cohort of their prestigious accelerator program. They excelled throughout the program, passing with flying colours and earning a trophy for their outstanding achievements. During this time, Google worked directly with them to enhance all of their game metrics, bringing them on par or even surpassing industry competitors. This experience has equipped us with invaluable resources and support, further solidifying their commitment to innovation and excellence in the gaming industry. And they've got a whole FAQ section, and I bet all your questions that I haven't answered yet are definitely answered here. And the end of the website has their characters, and I must say the design is great. As for how I found the project, I was just going through my Twitter and this project immediately caught my attention. It's doing something truly unique and cutting edge in the GameFi space. Something that could completely shake up the industry, attract a massive wave of users and bring focus back to this sector. Just what happened in 2017. And I have an article to back this up. It's about the GameFi industry, where we can see the history of GameFi, the biggest industry players, the GameFi industry's growth, which is expected to be about 50 billion this year, and that traditional companies will be joining the fray. I've got to say, Mokens League, their vision, products, token and team all look so solid, and I truly believe this could be a massive opportunity with insane potential for growth. And you already know that AI is the hottest trend of this cycle, and if there's big money to be made in crypto in 2025, you can bet AI will be a huge part of this. And in 2021, projects such as NFL Rivals, Axie Infinity, and The Sandbox all went to the moon. And I'm betting this year we could see a similar run. Why I say that is because right now GameFi isn't as hyped as before. But think about this, do you know any projects that has successfully integrated AI into their games? I don't, at least. But Mokens League has done it, and they've already had over 50k plus active players. They've got a lot of following on their socials, backing from VCs and a clear roadmap. And they've got a really good team that consists of 3 European founders with over 20 years of development experience. So I might make the bet that this reignites GameFi, forcing more projects to integrate AI into their games. And this time it could very well be Mokens League leading the charge. So again, what is Mokens AI League? Mokens League is a next-gen esports metaverse built by Monster League Studios, blending traditional sports with blockchain, cutting-edge AI and NFTs. Web3 gamers are all about owning, growing and managing their digital assets without spending endless hours grinding, but still getting in on exciting competitions. The users can earn the in-game currency by training their AIs to win games, leagues and tournaments in the game. combined with a player-driven economy where every move you make matters, is completely changing how players experience gaming, making ownership and engagement easier and more rewarding than ever. And when we head over to the white paper, we can again see what Mokens AI League is. In 2025, Mokens League evolves into Mokens AI League, a revolutionary platform blending the competitive spirit of traditional sports with cutting-edge AI and blockchain technology. This evolution aligns with the preferences of Web3 gamers who seek to manage, own, and grow digital assets with minimal time investment while enjoying thrilling competitions. At its core, Mokens AI League leverages autonomous AI agents and a player-driven economy to redefine gaming ownership and engagement. And we can see win to earn. And all the information is here in the white paper. The game is designed for everyone, casuals, mid-core and pro levels. Each player competes and gets rewarded at their own level, and the platform kicks off with soccer for PC and mobile, with tennis, basketball and hockey coming soon. As for their vision and mission, they're mixing competitive sports with AI and Web3. Basically, it lets players manage teams that run on their own, earn rewards and even build their own virtual communities. What's awesome is that it's changing how people think about owning stuff in-game. It's all about true ownership. And one of their main games, Mokens League Soccer, is set in the ecosystem where you can actually earn blockchain-based currency by playing. And get this, if you ever feel like stepping away, you can convert that currency into real money. The characters in the game, called the Mokens, are NFTs, so you can trade, upgrade or sell them however you want, both inside and outside the platform. It's like a whole new way to play and earn at the same time. And there's also more great news. Mokens League just secured its first VC backing from Utopia, and this is a huge milestone. For those who don't know, Utopia is no small player in the game. They've got a portfolio packed with 68 projects, spanning industries like fintech, Web3 and beyond. They're not just another venture fund throwing cash around, they're highly strategic with their investments, always focused on backing the next big thing in tech. Their involvement in Mokens League is a massive vote of confidence. And Utopia has already made a name for itself in the venture world, getting featured on big media platforms like Bloomberg, TechCrunch and The Org. And this one is even on Forbes. And when a fund with this kind of credibility gets involved, you know the project has serious potential. And in addition to this, Mokens League has secured a solid $4 million investment. And this isn't just about cash flow. This funding gives them the resources to go all in on their vision, expand aggressively and push forward every aspect of their ecosystem. It's a huge vote of confidence from some serious players in the investment world and the GameFi community. And this backing signals a strong belief that Mokens League has the potential to dominate in the space. With this kind of support, Mokens League is ready to scale its game offerings, amplify Mocha token utility, and pull in more users from both Web 2 and Web 3. Now let's talk about why this opportunity seems so unique to me. I think like many others, what draws me to crypto is the chance to make life-changing money. You've probably heard countless stories of people being in the right place at the right time and walking away with tens of thousands of dollars. And yes, those cases do exist, but let's be real, getting lucky like that is insanely rare. The odds are almost close to zero. Most of the people making serious money in crypto aren't just lucky, they're fully immersed in the market. They understand where trends are heading, constantly research new opportunities and put in the work. And trust me, there are tons of opportunities out there. But to actually succeed, you have to spend hundreds of hours learning the ins and outs of crypto, staying flexible and adapting because this market moves fast and never stands still. Gone are the days when you could just buy some random meme coin and hope your $100 turns into 20, 50 or even 100k. Most often, chasing that golden ticket will just burn your money instead. And I found some stats to back this up in an article I've recently read. And based on the data from June, fewer than 3% of traders have made over $1,000 in profit from investing in these meme coins, while only 0.8 have made more than $10,000. The majority end up losing money. And to back it up even more, in this article, according to the data, during the 2017-2018 cycle, there were only about 3,000 crypto coins. Now in the current cycle, CoinGecko is tracking 16,631 coins, That's more than a 5x increase, and let's not forget how much has changed since 2017. And we can see 16,755 coins total tracked. And these days a huge number of users provide liquidity directly on DEX platforms. Let's take a look at Pump Fund, for example. How many new coins are appearing while I'm on the website? Or let's take a look at Dex Screener, where we can see how many coins are deployed every minute. Right now, literally anyone can create a token and start pushing it, so I assume that there are many more coins in which liquidity is pouring in right now. Maybe 100k or even 300k different coins. Liquidity, meaning capital, doesn't spread evenly now. It flows to where the trend is and where the most participants are. That's just how the game works. If you're buying certain tokens just because you think out season hasn't started yet, you might be looking at it the wrong way. Out season as you remember it might not happen the same way again. It takes way more money to turn the whole market green now compared to previous cycles. If a token isn't pumping, it might just mean no one actually wants it. So to make money in this market, you have to find projects early, get in before the crowd and think ahead. And Mokens League has all the potential to lead the AI trend in GameFi, which is exactly why I wanted to share it with you after diving deep into this project. And right now they're running a token sale for Mocha, which I'll tell you more about later. I've decided to participate because I believe that this project has great potential. Mokens AI League has the potential to attract massive attention, and the tokens' value could multiply. So if you're considering joining as well, I recommend using my bonus link to get an extra 3% in Mocha tokens. And we all know the potential of AI in GameFi is also extremely high. And to confirm my assumptions, I did some research and came across an article on X by an investment fund called Decasonic, which has been investing in projects since 2013. And basically this is the most important part of the article, with the upcoming OpenAI announcement on super agents capable of performing tasks at the PhD level and President Trump's recent initiative to build out a $500 billion AI infrastructure joint venture among some of the largest AI companies. They believe the interest at this intersection will continue to accelerate in the near future and medium-term future. It will provide further opportunities across the entire stack for AI, with more opportunities for market leaders and builders to innovate and take advantage of opportunities ahead. The consensus in the market highlights the inability of GameFi projects in Web3 to gain traction, and their inability to sustain adoption for the most part. However, all insights highlighted in this article are united by their belief that the AI x GameFi ecosystem will result in a significant attention shift towards projects building in the Web3 gaming ecosystem. Specifically, the integration of AI agents within GameFi will result in a more active, enriching, and rewarding gaming experience and environment. At the time of writing this article, the GameFi market cap in Web3 stands at a market cap of 21.3 billion. So do you see where this is going? The fact is the AI market will continue to scale and the GameFi sector isn't going anywhere. It will keep evolving, and at some point a project will set the trend for AI gaming, just like it happened with agents. But by the time this sector gains mainstream popularity and starts attracting new users daily, it might already be too late to get tokens at the best price. And as for how to buy the Mocha pre-sale, you can select the chain, you can select your pre-sale payment methods, and you can see how much you will receive. So for 1,000 DAI, you'll receive about 16,666 Mocha. Also check this out, Mokenopolis is flipping traditional sports games on their heads with AI-powered gameplay. Instead of just controlling players, you manage strategies while your AI-driven Mokens compete in leagues and tournaments. It's perfect for both casual players and hardcore strategists who love the thrill of competition. The game sticks to classic sports rules but adds a unique twist, mixing realism with fresh, innovative mechanics. You actually own your Mokens, upgrade them, and compete to climb the ranks in a fully digital ecosystem. Mokens League has just launched its first game called Mokens League Soccer. The gameplay is very straightforward. You can play in a team or one-on-one, and the main goal is to score a goal. Each game lasts 4 or 5 minutes depending on the game mode. And thanks to the Mokens League's innovative GameFi mechanics, specifically the own-to-earn model, you no longer have to follow the traditional win to earn concept, where you must win to earn tokens. That's a thing of the past. The new system introduces AI agents that you can train and develop, and these AI-powered agents will compete on your behalf and win for you. Instead of being a direct player, you'll now take on the role of a trainer, coaching your agents to maximize their victories. And there's more information here in the Mokens League white paper about the Mokens AI League clubs. And let's take a look at the role of AI in club management. With the integration of Mokens AI agents, managing in-game clubs is more accessible and efficient. They've got AI advisors, automated tasks, and scalable management. And if you take a closer look, the game does remind you of Brawl Stars. And when we take a look at Brawl Stars, it's had over 100 million plus downloads, so it goes to show just how massive that game was. And I even played Brawl Stars, and while the games are different, the gameplay is super similar, especially the soccer mode. So I've got to say Mokens League nailed it by building on this concept. They're not reinventing the wheel, they're taking what works and making it better. Now imagine a Brawl Stars style game on the blockchain, where you can earn from in-game items and Mocha tokens. That's why the decision to join the pre-sale was obvious to me. I still vividly remember the hype around Brawl Stars, and if this game gets the same buzz, they'll definitely take off and be among the top GameFi projects. For example, they've already had over 50k monthly active users on their first game, and just look at the amount of videos made about that game. And when we take a look at the upcoming games of the series, we can see Mokens League Soccer, Mokens League Tennis, Mokens League Basketball, Mokens League Hockey, Beach Volleyball, Mokens League Box, just to name a few. So whatever you like is probably going to be in the Mokens League. And once again, let's take a look at the tokenomics, which we've already covered, but it's good to see the tokenomics for yourself again. But all I can say is the initial pre-sale price seems to be pretty low, and the initial market cap is also really low, so it's probably worth a shot. And more about the utility of the token, here's the deal with the Mocha token and how it's used in the game. Mocha is the main currency in Mokens League, and it stands out from other in-game currencies in a few key ways. First off, you can use Mocha for in-game transactions, buying assets like NFTs and other currencies and items. Sometimes it gives you perks like discounts, bundles, or exclusive pre-sale items. And here's a bonus. Using Mocha might even auto-mint NFTs with certain purchases. There are also rewards for holding Mocha, which might unlock special items based on how much you're holding. So when it comes to events and tournaments, Mocha can be used for entry fees. Some competitions even let you in just for holding tokens. You can also wager with Mocha in competitive play, where you stake a cost, and if you win, you double up. You can set up custom matches with specific rules or jump into quick play wagers, same rules, just faster setup. In short, Mocha isn't just for spending, it gives you exclusive access, better deals, and ways to earn back even more if you're winning matches or events. And as I've already mentioned, Monster League Studios is made up of veteran game devs, esports professionals, and tech experts who have been killing it in the gaming space for years. They've built hit games like Atmosphere, Eternium, and Voxelos, boasting over 200 million users and millions in revenue. These guys aren't new to crypto either, having raised 1400 BTC for a blockchain gaming project during the first ICO wave. And again, as for the team, founded by gaming pros Martin Repeto and Maximo Radis, with 20 plus years of experience each, they've racked up 60 million plus downloads across PC, mobile, and console. Since 2015, they've been pushing blockchain gaming and built Monster League Studios in 2020 to take real-time multiplayer games to the next level. Martin's a 25-year veteran in digital products, and Maximo's managed teams behind massive titles, and Esteban Oliveira backs the studio with 25 years in venture capital. This team is all in for the long game. And something very cool is that Mokens has also locked in a major partnership with Immutable X. This move connects them to the Immutable X ecosystem, opening new doors for their players, which we can see here. And a big win from this collab is the integration of Immutable X's passport, which makes account creation easy. Players can sign up with an email, Apple ID, or Google Play ID, plus a digital wallet is automatically created. So crypto users can dive in while Web2 players don't need to worry about Web3 tech. It's all about making Mokens League accessible to everyone, whether you're into crypto or just want to play a killer game. And lastly, the project's roadmap is solid, stretching all the way to 2026. Last year kicked off with the launch of the Mocha token and Mokens NFTs with only 5 pre-sale rounds and high demand. It's clear there's not much time to sit on this. Once the pre-sale wraps up, the TGE and exchange listings are coming fast. In this 2025 year, they're continuing their Mocha sale, launching Hub with the NFTs and making a huge bet on their Mokens AI solution that is going to be tightly integrated in the Mokens League project. As the project grows, so will the demand for the token, which should drive the price up. And by 2026 they're planning serious scaling. While details are slim right now, expect updates as the project evolves. This roadmap is only going to get stronger. So to conclude the video, if you're still on the fence about joining the Mokens League pre-sale, let me tell you why I'm all in. This project is set to make waves in both the GameFi and Web3 space. They've got serious backing from investors like Utopia, more than 4 million in funding, a team of gaming industry veterans, and a vision that's taking the best parts of traditional gaming and leveling it up with blockchain tech. The gameplay is fun, but what really gets me hyped is the fact that you can actually earn while playing alongside with their unique Mokens AI integrations, which can highly increase your productivity and help you achieve greater results faster. Something that truly sets them apart in the GameFi niche. And the pre-sale is where you can get in early, before the price hikes up in later rounds. With a fixed supply of Mocha and a solid roadmap, this could be one of those projects that you look back on wishing you had gotten in from the start. Moreover, the initial market cap of 1.307 million makes Mocha a really attractive purchase, as coins with a low market value usually show much more growth on listings. And that's why I participated in the sale. I just don't want to miss this chance because it's an opportunity that doesn't come along very often, and the potential here is huge. So I encourage you to do the same, and if you want to be part of what looks like one of the next big success stories in Web3 gaming. Again, follow my link in the description to get a bonus 3% tokens when participating in the pre-sale. Anyways, that's it for Mokens League. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research as well. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.